Can't have me on camera, guys.
What's that?
You can't have me on camera.
Hey guys, News Now California, out in the city of Santa Monica. I'm out at the city of Santa Monica's maintenance yard. I'm out here today with San Joaquin Valley Transparency and Nate Skates 182. We will see if they respect our right to film in public. So we've got the gas pumps right here. And then we've got a couple fire department vehicles back there. And then many trash trucks are back there. We've noticed quite a few cops driving down this street, maybe coming in here, get their cars worked on. We're not sure. We've seen 3 of them before we got here. All right, so it looks like they're updating this facility. This guy's name for no reason. Just to get me. Names to get me. Okay.
Can't have me on camera, guys.
What's that?
You can't have me on camera.
You gotta pay him.
Gotta pay. I'm part of the
Gotta pay?
Screen Actors Guild, yeah.
All right, man. I'll give you a post-dated check. How's that?
Huh?
I'll give you a post-dated check.
That works for me.
Right on.
What are you guys doing?
Well, right now we're talking to you.
I know, but what are you guys doing?
What TV station are you with?
We're out here filming
Filming what?
whatever we can see from public.
Oh yeah.
What? Is it for documentary or something?
Happen to you guys? Or
Happened to us?
somebody get hurt here or what?
I found love like about 20 years ago.
So you were damaged. You've been damaged for life.
On a two-way street.
All right, guys, be careful though.
That's what
Watch out with
Gladys
the
Knight
trucks,
says.
okay?
Yeah. Where are you guys going? Lunch?
No, I
No,
gotta go
we
check
don't
on
get
something.
lunch today.
Huh?
not?
The
Because
city doesn't give us
they don't
lunch.
give us lunch.
They don't give you lunch?
No.
I'll sign up for that program. I'm trying to lose weight, man.
Are you guys going on a date?
Yeah, man, right.
Okay.
See you guys. Have a good day, man.
Have a good day, man.
You know who else does that? Elementary school. They all want you to pick up your kid at the same time, and they don't give you enough parking. And then you have a lot of police officers waiting on the sidelines during the bus stop. You may go. Everybody go out of here and wait.
What's weird is everybody's friendly here, but they don't allow dispensaries. How come everybody's so friendly without dispensaries? What's that?
Can I help you?
No, you can't help me. We don't need any help.
What was that, sir? I'm just curious what you're doing here.
We're on a sidewalk filming.
Okay. What are you filming?
Whatever I could see.
And what are you using it for?
Huh?
What are you using it for?
Myself.
Keep this driveway clear, please.
What was that?
Keep this driveway clear.
Sir, this is for pedestrians to walk. If we're walking by,
I understand this.
if we're walking by, you have to make way for us to walk by.
Yeah,
sir.
we're old enough to know what to do, dude.
Don't run with scissors in your pocket, sir. Don't eat yellow snow.
Keep the driveway clear.
Don't eat yellow snow.
Just keep the driveway clear, please.
Yeah. Keep moving on, man.
No, I'm doing my job.
Are you?
Yep.
Wasting taxpayers' dollars coming out here telling us to keep a driveway clear?
Yeah, because I'm the safety officer.
Oh, are you?
Yep.
Well, you're failing.
What was your name?
Excuse me?
Your name?
My name is Rick.
Rick? What's your last name, sir?
Major.
Major? Rick Major?
So just be safe. Keep the area clear, please.
You'll be safe.
Always.
You're not related to Lee Majors, the $6 million man, are you?
He's not a real major.
He's not?
Why are you shrugging your shoulders? You wanted to be a cop?
What's that?
Why are you out shrugging your shoulders?
No, I'm shaking my head.
Oh, I thought you were like, he's not a real major.
No.
Shit, I'm the real major right here. Come on,
You guys
man.
have a good day.
All right, you
brother.
too, man.
He's not a real major.
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe he had scabies. I don't know what he was doing.
He wants to feel like he's doing a job.
Yeah, safety manager. Tell us a couple times.
Yeah,
They
he's
had
gonna
the
go write a
drive-
report. Make it seem like he's getting paid to do something.
What's funny is, look where I'm standing. Right here. The whole time. I'm not even in the driveway.
Yeah. And you know what's funny is, when he drove over here, you were over there, and we were over there. We were not even in the...
No. He's just trying to exert authority,
Yeah.
that's all, you know.
Funny guy. What was his name?
Rick Majors.
Rick Majors played in the minor league. Grabamos la policía. Get my YouTube channel, guys. Para mi canal.
All right, we're at a different gate right now for the city maintenance yard. Alrighty, there we have a meter maid cart into fleet management. All the mechanics are here making sure all these vehicles are running properly on the city streets. Visitors, please use this entrance. Oh, they're closing the window, pulling down the drawer, pulling down the blinds, shutting the blinds, huh?
Are they?
Yep.
Where at? On the building?
Yeah, far left window by that box.
Public Works.
Huh.
Really weird. Why would they do that?
Probably because they see camera A.
Camera. If yours is camera A, then mine's camera 1. How's that?
All right, for whatever reason, they drew the blinds and shut them there in that window. Is this the dude that we saw earlier?
Right. Over there.
That's the guy you commented on that he was waving to us.
Oh yeah, that's right. Nice fella. Nice fella. Should we get out of here then?
Yeah. If you got God, you got freedom.
You think so?
Yeah.
If a cop is beating the shit out of a guy and you say, God, please stop him, is it gonna happen? Or if you pull out a camera
Come on, Dwayne.
and put it,
Go. Sorry.
is he your boss? Come on, puppy doggy.
All right, everybody. We are out of here. On to the next one. Bye now.